Hi, this screencast will show you how to hack Google Slides closed captioning and present your information to your students at the same time. So what I'm going to do here is in my Google Drive, I created a closed captioning Google slide, and basically it has nothing on it. It's just a black one slide presentation, and I just named it CC. The next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to click on the three dot menu, and I'm going to click New Window. And I need to resize this window, so I'm going to just come over to the resize icon here at the top right, and manipulate it the way I need to. All right, so I'm just going to resize it, come in on the corners, and then just resize it so you can see that I have my closed captioning behind and then my current window in the front. And I'm going to go to Drive on the current window, and I'm going to just open up another presentation that has content on it. Okay, and now really what I'm going to do is trick it. So I am going to, and I hope that this shows up in the video, I am going to hit present in the presentation that has the content, and I'm going to exit out of full screen. So down here at the toolbar, there is an icon that will allow you to exit full screen. So I'm going to click on that, and you can see that I'm still in presentation mode. Now on the back window that has the closed captioning presentation on it, I'm going to click present. Again, I'm going to exit full screen, and I'm going to make sure that my my content presentation is first. So what I need to do first is when I do the presentation, or when I present with the closed caption Google slide deck, I need to turn on closed caption. So you have to hover over on the bottom and toggle on the CC icon for closed captions, and you can see that it's already working. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my window that has my content available and just move it along the screen where it can be seen, and also the closed captioning. And I can now scroll through my presentation and show the students the visual part in addition to the closed captioning. And the closed captioning is great because it appears up here at the top. It's large, and it's got the black background for accommodations as well. So this is a great little hack that you can use when you're presenting information to your students. All right, I hope you found this screencast helpful.